Welcome back, YouTube. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's start our next challenge. Level 10. The goal for this level is to retrieve the password stored in the file data.txt, which contains base64 encoded data. Let's head over to the terminal. We first want to see which files are available to us by using the list command. We see our file. Let's read it. This line is base64 encoded data, so we'll decode it to obtain our password. And we'll do this by using the base64 command. Base64 encodes or decodes data and prints to standard output. And we'll give it this option to specify that the data needs decoding. So our command will be this. We just obtained our password. We'll log out by either typing logout, exit, or Ctrl D. We log in to the next level with the password we just obtained. We successfully logged in. To register our completion of level 10, we'll type the retry command. Everything is successfully synchronized. Let's verify on the retry website. We update. Congratulations on completing level 10. You rock! Thank you for watching this video. If you liked watching, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements